Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. This is a familiar lot to some of you. If you're a returning viewer at the channel, I did a wheelie tutorial here the other day. But today is not about wheelies. They're definitely going to be some mixed in. We are actually riding to a spot I rode at like 6 or 7 months ago. So yeah, we're just going to ride there, see if we can do some off-roading, and see what we can find along the way. It's incredibly hot today too, guys. That's one thing I will mention, but let's get right into this video. This is really some beautiful scenery out here, and it's like literally just outside the city. I love the green. Just in the summer it gets so like dark green. I feel like you're in the rainforest. Whew! I am hot as hell though, guys. I can say that for sure. Wheelies are getting nice, slow, and controlled though, which I love. These are terrible roads, jeez. It's like when Lightning McQueen redid the road super quick. Look at this is awful. Awful. Tesla. Guys, I recently saw that like 2 Teslas were involved in like 2 different fatal motorcycle accidents. So Tesla, you gotta get that shit together. They were both on autopilot. Obviously it messed it up. I don't know if the bike's too small to register or something, but yeah, 2 people died, I'm pretty sure. So that's not OSHA approved. Tesla, Elon, you gotta get on that shit. You know what a long straight street means. Yes you do. Alright guys, so this is it right here. Oh, I already hear a quad. Let's go, there's other bikes here. Oh shit. Nice. Do you guys ride back here? What's up? Sorry, I can't hear shit. What's up? Do you guys ride back there? Yeah? Alright, word. Nice, nice. Back there. There's like trails and shit, right? Yeah. Alright, word. Have a good one. It's good. That was a bit of an awkward conversation. Very awkward. Thought they'd be a little friendlier. I was not expecting to see those dudes there either. Alright, so it doesn't say no trespassing here. There's literally no signs anywhere, but you can always err on the side of caution, you know. Always be safe, you know. You know how it goes. Okay, let's get it. How muddy is it going to be back here is my question. Ooh, they were super rutted. It's actually decently dry though. Definitely a bit overgrown. Ooh, I gotta be careful. One of these ruts would surely throw me. Let's get in there. Whoa! Let's get in here. Woo! I am gonna fall if I keep doing that. Yeah, I think these are like Jeep trails or something. Actually, no, they're CRF250L trails is what they are. Jeez. As promised. Ugh, as promised. She didn't even turn off. Oh, well, I can stall it though. Jeez. As promised. Jeez. What did I just say, guys? At least I got the dual cam on that. These ruts, guys, they're so, like, they're so deep, but it's hard. So, like, you don't, like, roll over it. Like, stupid fucking stick. Like, they're hard ruts. Oh, my goodness. I'll be sore from that. Hey, at least we're geared up there, right? At least we're geared up. We gotta take this nice and slow now. I don't think it's bent. Just felt a little funny is all, you know? Why is that brake line so close to there? Am I just overanalyzing? I don't know, but here's the bad girl or element. This is pretty dope though. Yeah, I mean, I think everything else is fine, right? Definitely need new bearings. We should just get some Warp 9 wheels instead, right? Hope you guys enjoy these two cameras because it's annoying as hell syncing them up together in post. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Dude. Guys, these trails are not really that fun. I'm not having a good time right now. All right, tree. Okay. Let's do this. I am something else. Really am. All right, so here's an old train, which is interesting, right? An old train. Let's turn off this thing so I don't kill my battery. It would suck having a bump started in here. Whoa, train. Let's see my parkour skills here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a big old motor. It's about as updated as the CRF250L. All right, time to spin around. Those ruts are no joke, guys. Oh. I would say what's back there, but like, if all the trails are like this. Oh fuck. Did I lose my phone somewhere? Motherfucker. You know what? I probably lost it when I crashed. Fuck. Motherfucker. This is so clapped, guys. God damn it. God damn it. Alright, guys. So after like 10 minutes, that worked. After about 10 minutes of investigating the GoPro footage, I'm pretty sure the phone fell out somewhere back here. Because I see it like in the tank bag, and then all of a sudden it disappears from the tank bag. And the only reason I knew it was gone, or like thought to look, is because my Cardo just said Bluetooth disconnected. So that's what made me look and be like, wait a minute. Okay. The most ironic part about all this, phone is green. So is the case. But it's gotta be like somewhere in this section. Of course, it's just so fucking overgrown too. This, folks, is why you always zip up your tank bag. Oh, this is just classic Connor. This is just off to an awesome start. First we dump it, then we lose our phone. I mean, I guess we just gotta walk this section and see where the fuck it went. It's in here somewhere. Oh my god. My Cardo just said it connected to my phone. Oh, it's gotta be close then. But how do you find a green phone in all of this? Alright, so this is where we did our little spinneroo. No fucking way. Thank you! Thank you, God. Oh my god. I probably shouldn't have screamed. Now someone probably thinks I'm screaming for help. But dude, oh, I've never been happier to see you. Yeah, green phone, green case. Lost in all the green, but we found it. Let's go. Beautiful looking bike, guys. Still am seriously considering the Warp 9s as always, the Sumo wheels. I'm cheap. And they're expensive, so, you know. And you know what? You know how we're gonna prevent the prior issue? So we'll do that. You're zipped up. Well, what a roller coaster of emotions today, guys. Ups and downs, highs and lows, peaks and valleys. Just saying the same thing in different ways, but I'm happy that I'm walking out of here, or riding out of here, able to ride out of here, and I'm happy that I have my phone. I think we just have to say that's enough. And get the fuck out of here. Oh my god, a kitty! A kitty cat! Psst, psst. Meow! Meow! Oh my god, wait, that was a black cat! You know, I think that black cat must have walked in front of me earlier. Hey, there we go. Oh. All right, all right. All right, let's get a good one in this lot and get the fuck out. Jesus. Bruh, that was close as fuck. All right, I'm out of here. Dude literally fucking nearly slammed into me. Peace, bro. I do better wheelies when I'm not with you guys anyways. All right. Heading back towards home now. Still gonna see if we can rip wheelies on the way, find anything else interesting. Oh, what do you guys look at that? We're at my favorite wheelie road. Nice ass day, honestly. Besides being like pretty damn hot, still is a beautiful day. Got to say. Kind of took the turn. I'll take it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go grab some grub, preferably with my vehicle, so I can actually pick it up. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to see anything specific, channel-wise, content-wise, whatever. But I'll catch you next time. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me.